Roguelide Solely. Just sitting here. It is Saturday afternoon at 2:14 in Austin, Texas. Actually, just kind of southwest of Austin, Texas. And I'm sitting here on my porch watching a couple of YTPC videos and listening to people that are further north talk about not being able to have a pipe, talking about how cold it is, how much they got to bundle up. And man, I got to tell you, I am one lucky man. I'm sitting here on my porch. It can't be 55, 60 degrees in a t-shirt, enjoying a brand new pipe that I bought just recently from a gentleman off Instagram. Don the Juan Piper, I believe his name is. I'm not sure if I have that right. It is a IPT, which is, I think, Indie Pipe and Tobacco, which is a pipe and tobacco shop that is no longer around. It's a nice little sandblast. I love the shape. I love the size. And the reason I got this is because I've been hitting that Crombie pretty hard. And I wanted another pipe that I could use in the truck so that I can give that Crombie a bit of a rest, because it's worked pretty hard. And I'm afraid if I keep smoking it the way I do with Bayou Morning, it might not last. So I want that pipe to last. I love it. I love the way it smokes, etc. So, Charler Mike, if you're watching this, FYI, I was unable to get to the post office today, so I'll probably ship that Bulldog out to you on Monday. Woke up this morning, went shopping with my wife, trying to finish our last bit of Christmas shopping. Not because I'm proactive, but because she is. Using my 2015 Kansas City Royals World Series Champions lighter. Found this on the shelf the other day. There my dogs go. Found this on the shelf the other day and thought, no, it's high time I use this. I'm going to keep this thing around, but it doesn't have to have lighter fluid in it.
See it.
Have fun. Pardon the interruption. How's my boy? He's going over to his girlfriend's house. Lots of rest and relaxation today. Getting ready to go to a Christmas party. Every year, the guys that I ride with, we put on a Christmas party at one of the riders' houses. And so we're going to have probably our fair share of good times tonight. So I wasn't going to be able to shoot a video later tonight, so I thought I'd shoot one right now. And the purpose of this video isn't just to tell you how lucky I am or how nice the weather here is in Texas, but it's to give shout outs to all the new subscribers. I want to say this time within the last 2 weeks, I was at 57 subscribers, and I put out two videos that I've been working on for some time. One was the Bullseye Twist Flake, the Peter Stokeby comparison, stoved versus non-stoved, and then also the pipe restoration project that I've been working on. I put those videos out this week, and my subscribers jumped up within just a few days to, I'm up over 111 as of this video. So I can't say thank you enough for the people that are watching. I was trying to explain to my wife this morning while we were sitting at breakfast before we went shopping, why am I presenting on YouTube? And there's a couple of reasons. One is because I've been watching this community for some time now, and it seemed like a pretty good bunch of folks to interact with, and that was 100% accurate. The second reason is because, well, I like learning things. I like learning. I like trying different things. My friends often laugh at me because I'll jump from one hobby to another. And when I jump into the hobby, as I've said before, I jump in both feet. My friends always say that whenever you jump in, man, you're all in, and that's true. And as I kind of thought about the answer to that question, I thought, well, one of the things that put me on this side of the camera was I've benefited so much from other people's taking the time to do YouTube videos so that I could learn how to do different things. I mean, everything I showed you in the restoration video that I posted this week, I learned all of that from watching YouTube. A couple of websites that you read through, but a lot of it is just, watching YouTube, watching different people try different things, seeing different methods, etc. And so I felt pretty strongly about wanting to add to that process, which is why I've been doing a lot of the kind of the experiments. I do these experiments anyway. I play around. I love working with my hands. I don't do that for a living, so it's kind of a creative outlet for me. And I thought, why not share that with a great community of folks that share a similar interest, which is why I'm doing this. So apparently there's about 111 people as of right now that have enjoyed that. So I want to read a couple of names. I'm sorry if this is going to be a little bit boring, but I want to make sure that I give shout outs to the folks that have taken the time to hit that sub button. And again, not because I did it all, but because they're, excuse me, but because they like picking up what I'm laying down in terms of content on the channel. So here's the list. And I'm not going to pause and say thank you. I'll say thank you at the end. So we have Mary Love, Pipe Fool, Carl Holt, and I'm going to apologize right now if I mess up any of these names, Pipe Smoker Cowboy Chris, John Meadows, Edric Sanchez, again that's Edric Sanchez, Todd Blessing, Todd Van Balveren, 8-Bit Piper, Edwin Cruz, Well Rested Piper, The Mantis Records, Michael Nethercutt, I Burley, I love that name, I don't know why, Smoky Beard, I'm going to say SL Pipe Smoker, Trailing the Woolly Mammoth, Smoking Grandpa Bones, IR Lopez, Kevin Tweener, I'm not real sure which one. We have Ghost Cobb, we have Artie's Place, which is, I believe, a recently renamed channel that used to be Pipe and Spirits. Monty Piper, James Batchelor, the Earl of Pipes, D Temple 54, Geraldo Gonzalez, Louisiana Texas Piper. Louisiana, Texas. Which one are you in? Are you in Louisiana or are you in Texas? Pick one. Just kidding. Billy Smock, Matches 860, The Great American Doc Piper, Cigar Smoking Vets 2, Andrew Charter, Peddler Piper, Eric's Random World, and I may have said some of these before. I get confused as I go through this list, which ones have I shouted out to and which ones haven't I? Chris Berkman, the ALS Piper, and Sir James. So if I've missed you, or if I've doubled up on your name, if I doubled up, I'm just overly appreciative. If I've missed you, I'm sorry. I do appreciate the subs. And again, I thank you all for taking the time to check out my content. I know I have a tendency to ramble. This was going to be a short video. I'm already at almost 10 minutes. But before I close, I do want to just kind of let you guys know a couple of channels that I've been digging as of late. It's almost like I can't get enough of them. London Calling is one of them. Simon's been doing a lot of driving videos, and he's been playing around with a lot of the live videos, which I really dig because it gives you a chance to interact with folks in the chat real time. So, Simon, I love the videos. I love the perspective that you give, not only on your thoughts, but also as we're driving around London. We get to see all the sights. I really dig that. Totally different place than where I'm at here in Texas. Another one is River Rat 74. Excuse me. Now, if you haven't seen him, he's probably one of the most genuine people on the YTPC in terms of saying what he's thinking, and I appreciate that. And recently, he made a video that I think he felt bad for, and I just wanted to say, River Rat, don't feel bad for that. We are all human. We say things sometimes that we don't mean, and we say things because the pressure builds up, and things get rough on occasion. And so don't let this community be a point of pressure for you. And don't worry about it, man. I would have left the video up there. As I said in the comments at the time, man, sometimes you just feel the way you do, and you say things, even if you don't mean them later. It's all a point in time, kind of like tattoos. Tattoos are points in time. People always ask me, do you like that tattoo you still have? And I'm like, heck yeah, I do. I mean, I wouldn't get it today, but I liked it at that moment when I got it. So, so if you haven't had a chance to sit down with River Rat and his channel, River Rat 74, do that. He's a great guy. Also rides a motorcycle. And River Rat, I understand that you're getting ready to winterize your bike, and I forgot the name, and I made a mental point to remember the name. But I sure would like to hear that bike before you set it down for the winter, and in his nice comfy bed there where you are. So the other shout out I wanted to give is to 2 a.m. Pipe on the Patio. He's pretty regular, does a lot of videos, has quite a few subscribers, but recently he posted a video where he was talking about, I think it was an acquaintance, it's somebody in his sphere of influence. He has been diagnosed with, I believe it's cancer, and he's only got 4 months to live. And so 2 a.m. Piper is dealing with that. And that was actually part of the things that came up when I was talking to my wife this morning about why I enjoy this community. And it's because people are real. People are dealing with stuff. People are, having things happen. And it's not just about the pipes and tobacco. It's a great source for pipe and tobacco information, but it's also real people struggling with real things. So 2 a.m. Pipe on the Patio. I just wanted to reiterate what I said in the comments, that I've also let my wife know that we're sending some prayers up for you. If you're a religious person at all, please do the same. That's a tough situation to go through. Cancer sucks, man. There's no two ways of putting it. I probably would say something else if I were just with my riding buddies and not on my YouTube channel here, but I want to keep it clean. So, yeah, cancer sucks. I think we've all probably known somebody or know somebody that's been hit by something like that, and it's just not a good thing. So, yeah, not much else to say about that. But sorry to end on a down note. I'm smoking, as you know, Bio Morning, but I've got up next some Hearth and Homes Burley Flake. And I've got some drying on the pad right here. I'm going to sit here and relax for probably a couple of hours before I have to get ready to go to this Christmas party. So the rest of my day is going to be pretty dang easy. So just wanted to give some shout outs. Again, thanks for everybody. I am real glad solely. Keep the rubber side down.